Today on the desk is ASI Control's ASIC 36115, fully programmable VAV controller. This is an IP-based variant. It sports 2 Ethernet jacks, only one IP address, but allows you to daisy chain multiple Ethernet devices without having to use another switch port. So today I'm going to show you how to address this thing without requiring a USB connection. I've got it connected to the building network here, and then my laptop is running Expert. I've got a BACnet project open, and within a BACnet project, you can now navigate to the auto commission page here. So this brings up the auto IP configuration tool. This allows you to send it an IP once this device boots up. You have your dynamic parameters here to set the BACnet IP address, the port number, system description, and device ID. And then system bus address is also provided for ASI legacy protocol projects in which you need the system bus address. And then you have your static parameters, network mask, and default gateway. And because this is a VAV controller, we do have the ability to send it a configuration file at the exact same time. So I've selected from the templates folder the VAV program here for the 6115. Now, the only thing you need to do once Expert is on the Auto IP configuration tool page is apply power with it connected to the building network. And once it powers up, it will request an IP address from Expert. And there you see it requesting the IP address. Expert is now sending it the new IP address as well as the other system parameters we selected, as well as the configuration file. And then the device will be resetting. And once it's reset, you can see it now appears here on the left side. And now we can click and navigate into this device and see the IP address that we set, and then see the configuration that we sent it. This doesn't just apply to the 6115, it applies to any of our Ethernet equipped controllers. So I can go ahead and add an ASIC 3 here, and then I don't need to use the switch connection there because of the additional IP port on the 6115. We can just simply jack in here, and then I will apply power after I open the Auto IP configuration tool again, and then we just simply apply power again. And same case as the 6115, once the 9540 boots up, you can see it's requesting the IP address, which is being sent to it. The device is now resetting, and there you go. And then I left the same configuration file for the VAV program in, and so that was also sent to the 9540. Obviously not applicable to the 9540, but you can still see that if you navigate into the functions tab, that you're able to see the same program has been loaded as well. So there you go, guys. That just shows you the simplicity of the Auto IP feature. Just need to connect the device out of the box to power while running the Auto IP tool and receive an IP address.